Okay, so today's video is going to cover the Meguiar's car refreshener, so an Odor Eliminator. So I quite fancied with the Clubman. Obviously it's over 10 years old now. It's all been cleaned out and refreshed, and all new interior, etc. But quite fancy running this through the vents of the car and inside the car, and giving it that new car smell. So that's quite an exciting thing to do. So let's open up the box and see what we get inside. You can see we've got a can of air refreshener, and from what I understand, all you need to do is actually set the air conditioning and the fans blowing on high, and recirculating the air. And recirculating is the key bit, because you want to obviously get this odour throughout all the pipes of the ventilation ducting, etc. So yeah, literally once that's done, pop the top of the can open, get it spraying, close the door and leave the car running for 15 minutes with that spraying inside. And from what I understand, that will then coat the inside of your ducting and make the car smell like brand new. So that's really exciting. I can't wait to give it a go. Okay, so first of all, you step inside the Clubman, start the engine. Okay, and following the instructions, you want to make sure that the air con is on recirculation, which is that one. Blower on full. Coming out of all the vents, let's just make sure all the vents switched on, which they are, so that's all now full. So next step is obviously to take your can, and what I'm going to do is actually place it in between the rear seats, just in this cup holder here. So instructions, literally as simple as get the car on, get the fans running as we are, and then you need to engage this locking trigger here, and then step out the car and leave the car running for 15 minutes. Let's see. You can see that spraying now. Just step out the car. You can see that's still spraying. That's quite difficult to see now, but that's now filling the car with the new car scent. So we're going to leave that running for 15 minutes. Okay, so after 15 minutes, let's get that car open and check out our new smell. So first of all, let's get that engine off. You can see the can has now stopped spraying, and the interior smells amazing. So it really does have that new car smell, so it definitely does what it says on the tin. So really impressed with that. So instructions recommend that you leave the doors or windows open for about 10 minutes after you've turned the car off, just to let the gases escape. And don't forget, that new smell is lined in all the ducts that feed all your heaters, etc. So every time you turn that on, you get a nice blast of new car smell. So that smells amazing. And that's the can there. And I think I'd definitely give that a thumbs up as a new product I've tried. Never used it before, but really has done the job.